What's happening, everyone? I didn't actually do an intro to this video for whatever reason. I think we were battling against the weather in the first clips, where you'll see Luke welding the wing and the slam panel on, so I do apologise for that. But yeah, it's just a quick video today on the Mark III. Doing quite a bit of welding. I'll just let you watch and see the progress. We've got quite a bit done since the last time you saw it, so I hope.
Where's that screw gun as well?
There
I've got one this side.
you go, mate.
God, I know it's bearing enough. Fuck, isn't it?
Yeah, since I got angry and threw it on the floor. Probably the worst thing I could have done. Still though,
I'll use it till it dies. It's only a minute of money.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we've got to be quick, but here's the results because I'm going to run out of battery soon. And we'll go around to the other side. Filled in a small hole here too. That patch there and there. And obviously welded the other side. Did this on both sides. I'm not going to bother showing you because I'm low on battery. And then just a quick little snippet. As you can see, front end is welded on, as well as inside where the wings are. This is both sides too. So we now have front wing, new slam, 2 new floor sections put in. I'm so happy now. I mean, it's not much left to finish this car welding wise. I think all we got left is an inner seal on the driver's side, and obviously doing the roof guttering because that's quite bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, and if you're new, please be sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you later.